What's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Hart Brakes. I hardly see any reviews about these brakes. They're not the top quality brakes. They're also not the cheapest. So they're kind of like in the middle. Let's see what's inside of here. And obviously, if you want to go for higher quality brakes, I believe they're going to be either Evolution or the Z23 packages. And so these are the rotors. That's the first one, and obviously I got 3 more over here. These are the brake pads. Y'all are gonna see a whole installation video. Let's get to it. Here's how they look after. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.